It's a big day at Dirt Dauber Garage. All right, Dirt Dauber fans, here I am, and it's another morning. Got my Coke Zero to get me going, and I'll give you a little hint of what's going on in this video. Yep, that is not my regular trailer. That is a car hauler. Yes, sir. Little hint of what's coming up in this video. Two exciting things. Something's going on this car hauler that's four-wheel drive and is a Toyota. And something else is new in the Dirt Dauber family. Take a look at that right there. I'll have a video coming out on that as well. There's exciting things going on at the Dirt Dauber Garage. All right, so here I am at a Shell station just outside of Meridian, Mississippi. Let you in on a little secret. What we're here to pick up is another FJ Land Cruiser. This one's a little different though. This one's an FJ55. So when we get there, we're going to take some shots and show you what we got, but we're almost there. All right, here it is. 1970. We're going to throw a battery in it and drive it home. Maybe not.
So if you're a Jeep guy, what's your thoughts on the modern Jeep versus the older Jeep? Not as mechanically sound.
All right, here we are back at the Shell station, about 30 minutes from where we picked this thing up. And it's on the trailer. We're taking it home. It's a 1970 FJ55. It's complete. Everything's here. Obviously, it needs a little bit of work. Fenders are a little banged up. Some surface rust. It needs a windshield. But all the glass is here. All right, it is now Tuesday. We went and got this thing on Sunday. And that's Luna, shop dog. We went and got this thing on Sunday, and I have not looked at it at all. We got there, did that short video. I loaded it on the trailer. We drove about 5 hours home, which was really longer than I wanted to do, but this was right on the edge of about how far I was willing to go, but I got a great deal on it. So we drove over to get it, got back here. I live in the Atlanta area. Sunday night about 8 o'clock, and we unloaded this thing from the trailer. I had to work all day yesterday, had meetings till late last night, had to work today. It is now about 3:30 on Tuesday, and this is really the first time I've had a chance to look at it at all. So you guys are gonna see everything that I see for the first time. I mean, I looked at pictures, I looked at it for 5 minutes before we loaded it on the trailer, but I have not really climbed around in this thing to see what's in it, see what's under it. I know a little bit about it, but not much at all. So we'll discover some things here together and see what we can find out. Thanks again for watching. Be sure to subscribe and follow along.